Sound of Home, we bring sound directly into your home. But most importantly, your ears.
We turn your home videos into true works of art. And we cater all of our sounds to each individual family by starting each booking with an 18-hour consultation.
And yes, part of it is done completely in the nude.
People have said our work is unnecessary.
Also, bad.
Yes, bad has been used as well.
We record all of the home video sound effects in our home studio, in our home.
The Sound of Home? Oh, you mean those two kooks that came in and destroyed all our home videos?
What do you mean?
Well, I told them my son liked dinosaurs, and throughout my kid's 5th birthday video, they were making T-Rex noises. They even added in the sounds of a dinosaur eating another dinosaur while he blew out the candles.
Rawr, rawr, I'm going to eat you.
No, please, please stop, please, I have kids,
I asked them to make the audio of my grandparents' vows a little clearer, and instead they completely changed them all together. The sound of home, more like the sound of silence I would like to hear, instead of the awful noises that they created.
Your hands are so soft.
Yeah, well, here's your ring.
Many people don't understand our methods. But what they don't realize is that we're creating the sound effects that get lost in the background. Once they hear them, they realize how much they miss them.
Yeah, I can't imagine they get very good reviews. I breed dogs for a living, and I wanted them to apply sound effects to a video I was making for my website. Let's just say they took it a little too literally.
Woof, woof, Mommy. I am a dog. Woof, woof. Your milk tastes good.
Woof woof, I'm a dog too, Mommy.
We love our job.
And we can't wait to meet you.
In the nude. I am walking.
I am walking too.
Keys. Keys are in my pocket.